5 home remedies for dry hair. In addition to looking drab and unhealthy, dry hair can lead to hair loss and dandruff. This is why you need to treat dry hair as soon as possible. Hair becomes dry when the hair shaft do not absorb or retain enough moisture, resulting in a brittle, lackluster appearance. This can be due to illness or nutritional deficiency, use of harsh hair products, excessively washing your hair, exposure to chlorinated water, and frequent use of heated styling tools or hair dye. Taking good care of your health, eating a healthy diet, using a quality hair care product meant for your hair type, and using some over-the-counter conditioners can prevent it from drying out. First, olive oil. Olive oil is the most popular home remedy for dry hair. The rich vitamin E and antioxidant content present in olive oil help heal damaged hair by sealing the cuticle or outer layer with the moisture. Olive oil can be used as a hot oil hair treatment to strengthen and shine and restore the moisture to very dry hair. Put enough olive oil for the length of your hair in a cup of bowl or slightly warm it in a microwave. Apply the warm oil thoroughly over your scalp and hair shafts. Massage your scalp gently for 5 to 10 minutes. Cover your hair with the warm towel and leave the oil on overnight. Finally, shampoo and condition your hair with the product suited to your hair type. Do this at least once a week to give your hair much needed nourishment and care. Second, mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is an excellent ingredient for treating dry hair at home. It contains lots of protein that will help make your hair soft and shiny. Measure out 1 cup of fully flat mayonnaise. Apply a thick layer of it on slightly damp hair and scalp. Massage the mayonnaise into your scalp and then work it through your hair to the end. Cover your hair and head with the plastic cap for about an hour. Rinse your hair thoroughly with the lukewarm water and then shampoo as usual. Repeat weekly to hydrate very dry hair. Third, eggs. Eggs are also very helpful for dry and damaged hair. A good source of protein and lecithin, eggs help strengthen and repair damaged and lifeless hair by adding moisture, shine, and texture to it. Whip an egg white thoroughly along with the 2 tablespoons of lukewarm water. Apply it to your hair. Fourth, beer. Beer works as excellent hair conditioner. The protein in the beer helps repair damaged hair cuticles and nourish the hair follicles, which in turn makes your hair shiny and smooth. Shampoo your hair as usual and then spray a small amount of beer onto your hair. Allow your hair to dry on its own. When it is dry, your hair will look smooth and shiny. You can also spray beer into your hair before blow drying or styling your hair. Fifth, avocado. The saturated fats, vitamins A and E, protein, and various other minerals in avocado are highly beneficial for dry and damaged hair. Avocado also helps and moistures to dry hair shafts and strengthen your hair. Mash 1 ripe peeled avocado, mix in 1 teaspoon each of wheat germ oil and jojoba oil to make a smooth paste. Apply the mixture on freshly washed hair from the roots to the ends. Cover your hair with the shower cap, leave it on for half an hour and then shampoo your hair with lukewarm water. Follow this remedy once or twice a week. Mash a ripe peeled avocado. Finally, rinse your hair. Do this once a week.